Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can remove your Microsoft Outlook account from your Microsoft Outlook. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Microsoft Outlook application on your computer. And now, you can see this gear icon at the top of the application. Just simply click on the gear icon in order to go to Settings. After coming to Settings, you will get Email Account Settings here. You will see all of your Outlook email accounts here. You just simply have to click on this Manage Account button beside the email account that you want to remove. After clicking into Manage Account, you will get this Remove button here. Just simply click on that button in order to remove the account. By following these very easy steps, you can easily remove your Outlook account from your Outlook application. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.